Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are watching this video, I am sure that you love your bike, you love your vehicle, and you want to know more about this diesel wash process. So I am going to tell you about the diesel wash, how I did this on my vehicle, on my bike basically. I also keep doing this for my car, and it's really good and it's worth it. I can assure you that. So keep watching till end. I am shooting this clip separately in my office, but yeah, I did the other part separately. Please keep watching till end. Yeah, thanks. We'll be doing a diesel wash. As you can see, there is so much of oil and dust accumulated engine area plus there's so much of dust. We will see how diesel wash works. Mighty Himalayan is also standing. Yeah, so guys, we have done a basic water wash. I'm going to use diesel. I am using my old Colin bottle to spray diesel basically on all the oily parts. You can just directly spray on all greasy and dirty parts. Yeah guys, so हमने पूरी बाइक पे डीजल लगा दिया है. I have used this old brush to apply diesel evenly across my bike. You can see a layer of diesel. So what we will do next is, I'll tell you how much diesel I have used. It was somewhere here, hardly 50 rupees. That's it. So, and I've used this old brush. If you have anything similar, I've applied a layer of diesel across my bike, silencer, even on engine. You can see, and I have used this brush to do a round of scrubbing kind of thing across all the parts. So what we will do next is, we will use water. We will just use a round of water to clean this first layer of diesel, and then we will take shampoo water basically to clean entire bike, just with the help of old cloth, and we will do a round of cleaning with the shampoo water. I have also used diesel to see, this is without wash. You can see the kind of shine you are getting on all the parts. So once we do wash, once we do this shampoo wash, once we do a round of polishing, basic polishing, I'll show you the end result, how it looks. So guys, we are done with first layer of wash, with the regular wash. You can see the result, but you can also see water is not able to clean everything just because of diesel. This is a 2016 model. I like to take care of my vehicle basically. Now we are going to use this soapy water, this shampoo water. I have used 2 rupees ka Sunsilk ka shampoo to make this water. Now we are going to wash this. Yeah guys, so we are done with water wash, soapy water wash. So now final thing will start. We are going to use a microfiber for the dirt and everything. Now you can see the engine. Look at engine. No greasy thing, no dust now on the engine. Everything is neat and clear. This thing I have installed later, because this is a BS3 variant and this is coming from BS6 variant. I just bought it for 180 rupees for a pair, It's like DIY. You can just remove the sticker and you can install it yourself. It looks good. So I'm going to use this clean microfiber cloth to clean water. So now we are going to start with our polish work. As this bike is looking superb, amazing, clean, crisp, I'm going to use these products basically to clean my bike, to polish my bike. This is not a sponsored video from Wavex, so I did my own R&D to get these products. I've been using this product for my bike, for my car basically, and this is equally good for both the I use this Wavex tire guard chemical to clean my tires. So this works really good. So once you apply and once you start using your vehicle, it will easily go for 4 to 5 days. And this is a 1 liter product, and I got it for somewhere around 650 rupees approximately. I'm not able to recall. I'm using this for my metal part polish. This is for dashboard plastic products. So this is again Wavex. This is dashboard and leather conditioner plus protectant. I'm going to use this for as an applicator, and I'll use a microfiber for cleaning. So I'll get back once I'm done with the cleaning and once I'm done with the final polish. How